Okay, so we're going over the bottom part of this, where it says dihybrid problem solve. And I'm going to show you how to do a dihybrid thing. You do something called the FOIL method. You probably learned that in math. So you're going to do first, outside, inside, last. So the first thing you do is do the first one to the middle one. So it'll be a big Y, big R. And you're going to go outside. So big Y, little R. Then you're going to go inside. So that's little y, big R. And then last is big Y, little r. So that's for the top part. The next one we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to do the first ones. So it's big Y, big R. Then we're going to go outside. So it's big Y, little r. Inside is little y, big R. And then the last one's little y, little r. Alright, now you're just going to write what's in the boxes. So we've got big Y, big R, big Y, big R. And we have big Y, little r with big Y, big R. What's going to go in this one?
Big Y, little y, big R.
We're starting with the top ones.
Oh, little y,
Little y,
big Y. Oh,
Big R.
big R.
and then
Big Y, big R.
in here,
Big Y, little R.
and then,
Big Y, R.
okay, now we're going to move down. So we have big Y, big R, big Y, little r. What's going to go in this one?
Big Y, little R. Big Y, little R.
And this one?
Little Y, big R. Big Y, little R.
This one?
Big Y, little R. Big Y, little R.
Okay. Brayden, what's going to go in this one?
Small Y.
Oh, start up here.
Oh, sorry. Big Y.
And,
Big R.
and then we're going to list to this one. Okay. And then,
Big R.
okay. Not a really good R. Austin, what's going to go in this one?
Big Y, little R. Little Y, big R.
Malachi?
For that one,
Yep.
Small Y, big R,
Okay.
and small Y, big R.
Hey, Michaela, this one.
Big Y, little R. Little Y, big R.
Kinsley.
What?
What?
Kinsley?
Sorry. Go. Kinley. Sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Big Y, little R. I mean, big Y, big R. Little Y, little R.
No.
Abraham.
Hi.
Hey, this one.
Can you see that?
Scoot over, it's a little, thanks. Big Y, little Y,
Little
R,
R. And then, what is this one?
little Y, little R.
Yep. Hunter. This one.
Little Y, big R. Little Y, little R.
Tristan.
Y, R.
Wait. Okay. Big Y, little R, and then
What's that? Hey, move your head. Big Y, little R.
this is a little Y.
Oh, is it? Well, little Y, big
I tried to put a little swoop or something on the little ones. That's why I told you the other day, if you get to pick your own, make sure it's something that you can distinguish the capital and the lowercase from. Alright, so we're going to look at these. If it's got a big Y in it, what does that mean?
Dominant.
Okay, so it's dominant. The big Y means it's yellow. If it's a little y,
It's green.
Recessive.
you have to have two, remember? That's going to be green. That's your recessive. So yellow could be big Y, or it could be big Y, little y. Okay? Then we're looking at the shape of it. Okay, so round could be what?
Big R, or big R, little r.
And then the wrinkled is going to be what?
2 little r's.
2 little r's. Okay, so now what you got to do after showing your work, what is the chance that Bernard will have a pea plant offspring that match the phenotype he is looking for? Green and wrinkled. He's looking for green and wrinkled.
50%.
So if it's green and wrinkled, what does it have to be?
2 little y's and
Little y, little y.
Are there any of those? No. There
That's
are
a 0%.
0%. Okay, now you're going to go through and you're going to find the percentage of yellow round, yellow wrinkled, green round, and green wrinkled. So you're going to finish the rest of that based off of the chart. So basically all you need to remember is the first, outside, inside, last when you're doing the dihybrid. You will not have a lot of these. Like, you won't be testing on a lot of these. You may see some. Usually they're already done for you, I think. You don't really have to do them out yourself. But just in case you do. It's like on a timed test, they're not going to make you fill out something like this. You see what I'm saying? Like, something that's that detailed, they usually give you a chart that has that on there. Now, a regular Punnett square, the one that's just got the 4 little boxes, you'll probably have to do a lot of those yourself because you can do those quickly. All right, when you're finished, turn your paper in.